Choose for assembly. Check path of table. Fill up or hydraulic oil, which is packaged with machine. Install wires for 380 voltage 3-phase. Turn on main power of train. Press power switch and press hydraulic switch. After heating printing goes up, turn off the power switch. Move up the blanket and put them on tables. Remove screws of all corners. Remove the cover. Install water table. Make holes aligned. Lock up screws. Put cover back and lock screws up. Remove the brake. Take out a face of chain. Loose for screws. Move the motor towards the opposite direction of the control panel. Install train. Tighten up train and screws. Install cover for motor. Install wire for controlling water table. Install covers of tracks. Now everything is goes up.